Welcome to our JavaScript testing and debugging tutorial. In this video, we will cover the basics of testing and debugging JavaScript code. Testing is an essential part of software development. We will cover why testing is important and how it can improve code quality. There are several types of testing, including unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing. We will cover each type and its importance. Unit testing is a type of testing that focuses on individual units of code. We will cover how to write a unit test and use testing frameworks. Integration testing is a type of testing that focuses on interactions between units of code. We will cover how to write integration test and use testing frameworks. End-to-end testing is a type of testing that focuses on the entire application. We will cover how to write end-to-end test and use testing frameworks. Debugging is an essential part of software development. We will cover various debugging techniques and tools. Browser developer tools are essential for debugging and testing web applications. We will cover how to use these tools effectively. There are several testing frameworks available for JavaScript. We will cover the most popular ones and their features. There are several best practices for testing JavaScript code. We will cover how to write effective test and use testing frameworks and tools. There are several common mistakes that can be made when testing JavaScript code. We will cover how to avoid these mistakes and write effective tests. Testing asynchronous code can be challenging. We will cover how to test asynchronous code effectively using async await and promises. Debugging asynchronous code can be challenging. We will cover how to debug asynchronous code effectively using console.log, debugger statements, and browser developer tools. Testing for performance is essential for ensuring that applications are fast and responsive. We will cover how to test for performance and optimize code. I hope this video has helped you understand JavaScript testing and debugging better. Thank you for watching.